Top 5 Windows 10 and 11 mistakes that can slow down your computer.
Top 5 Windows 10 11 mistakes that slow down your computer or laptop. Okay, the first thing is that unnecessary programs running in the background. Okay, background programs can significantly impact your system performance by consuming your CPU, RAM, and disk resources. Okay, these programs often run without the user's direct interaction, leading to slogging performance, longer boot times, and increased battery on laptops. Higher CPU usage, increased RAM usage, and excessive disk activity. Okay, and these things makes your computer slow down. And there may be the antivirus software and cloud software and gaming client software are running in the background. Okay, this also slow down your computer. How can you manage these types of problem? Okay, first you can manage from using the background programs. Okay, first we have to press Ctrl Shift plus S key to open the task manager, and in this tab, okay, you have to go to the processes. This is the processes tab. Okay, then after, if there is any application that you do not need, then after just you can right click and close that application. Suppose at this time I do not need this Chrome browser, just end text, and at this time I don't need this CapCut also, just end text. Okay, and so you can make your computer faster. Okay, next is that disabling unnecessary startup program. You can disable unnecessary programs. Okay, how to do that? Just right click on task bar and go to the task manager and go to this start off tab, and here if any application you do not need, then just you can disable it from here. Okay, I have disabled already here. You can do that using system configuration. Okay, plus R, then type msconfig. Click OK. Okay, here MTQ services tab, and you can uncheck if there is third-party services. Okay, you do not need, and you can uncheck that. Okay, and you can just apply and click OK. Hence you can increase the performance of your computer. Okay, having sufficient free disk space is crucial for maintaining a fast and responsive system. When a hard drive SSD is nearly full, performance can suffer due to limited space for system operation and temporary files and caching. Okay, why free disk spaces matters? Sluggish performance of full disk slow down your access times, making applications take longer time to open and respond. Slow boot times, fragmentation issues, SDDs. Okay, mechanical hard drives struggle with the file fragmentation when space is low, leading to slower read-write speeds, and virtual memory limitations. Okay, Windows uses disk space for a virtual page file. If the disk is full, system performance can degrade significantly. How to free disk space? You can delete temp files. Okay, and then after you can uninstall unused applications from a computer system. You can use disk cleanup for clear the temporary files. Press Win+R key and after type clean mgr, then hit OK. Then this is the C drive, OK, and check all the here and just click OK, and this will delete the temp file of the system. It may take time, okay, and you can use 10% or recent to clear the temp file. Press Win+R, type recent, then after select all and press Shift Delete, okay, and press Win+R key again and press Shift %temp, okay, and just Ctrl A and Shift Delete, okay. And so you can delete the temp file of your system. While doing this, okay, our C drive will be free. Okay, and so you can free up your system drive, okay. Offload files to cloud storage or external. Move large file media, videos, photos, backups, external hard drives, cloud, satellite, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Okay, you can buy external hard disk drive. If there is a large file, okay, you can transfer that file. Otherwise, you can use Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, okay, like that, and use the storage management tool. And go to setting system storage and just breakdown category system and enable the storage sense. How to do that? Go to start menu and go to the setting. Then after you have to go to the system storage, okay, system, then I have to go to the storage, and here you can find out this is turned off. Just turn on this, configure storage change for on it, okay, and storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temp files and content, okay. Just turn it on. Like this, you can increase the performance of your computer. The mistake number 3 is that outdated drivers. If you have outdated drivers in your computer system, this also makes your computer slow, okay. Why outdated drivers are important? Improved performance, okay. You can fix boxes and stability, security patches, and better compatibility. You have to update your driver. How our outdated drivers affect our performance, okay. Graphics driver. If there is outdated GPU or graphics driver, can cause lag, screen glitches, or poor gaming performance. If there is network driver or Wi-Fi or Ethernet driver, may lead to slow internet speed or connectivity drops. Audio drivers, sound distortions, or microphone issues, or no audio output can result from outdated drivers, so that you have to, okay, update your drivers. How can you update your drivers? You can use Windows Update, okay, or 6 manual updates like this, okay. Or you can press Win+X and go to Device Manager and Display Adapters and update the adapters like this, okay. First try this, go to Start Setting, or you can directly type Update and hence click the check for updates, and this Windows Update automatically updates your driver. Then after press Win+X, and from here you can go to the Device Manager. Then after you can find out here the drivers, and if you want to update this driver, just right click and click the update driver, and so automatically this will automatically source the driver and update. Okay, and you can do this. Okay, the number 4 mistake is that's unnecessary visual effects. Okay, Windows comes with various visual effects such as transparency, animation, and shadows to enhance the user experience. While these effects make the interface look smoother and more modern, they can consume system resources, especially on older or less powerful machines. How visual effects impact performance? Increased CPU and GPU storage. Okay, fancy animation and transparency effects require processing power and which can slow down the performance. That's right. Higher RAM consumption, extra memory is needed to render these effects, leaving less available application and slower responsiveness on low-end PCs. Excessive visual effects can cause lag when switching windows, opening menus, and dragging file. How can you disable that? Method 1 is adjust performance setting. Press Win+R key and type system.cpl and hit enter. Press Win+R and type system.cpl and press enter. And in this tab you have to go to the performance. Okay, go to the advanced tab and you can find here performance. Just click the performance and here you can choose. Okay, here uncheck the animated elements, or you can choose the adjust for the best performance like this. Okay, just apply and okay. This also helps the computer, okay, performance fast. You can do like that. Okay, and you can adjust your manually. A method to disable transparency effects. Okay, setting personalize and colors. You can transparency colors to off. Okay, how can you do this? Just follow. Go to style menu and go to the setting. We are on the setting tab. Okay, and then after we have to go is where setting personalize and colors. Okay, setting, go to the personalizer and here you can go to the colors and you can find here transparency effects. Just you can off it. Okay, and when you off this, your system performance will increase. Okay, method number 3 is disable animation by accessibility setting. Okay, go to setting, ease of access, and go to display and simply personalize windows and toggle show animation windows. Okay, hence you can disable the animation shading. Okay, how to do this? Go to the style menu and go to shading. Then after you have to toggle to ease of access. Okay, where is ease of access? Here. Then after you have to follow the display. Here is the display, and after simplify and personalize windows, toggle show animation windows. Okay, here show animation windows, show transparent windows. Just you can uncheck. Okay, turn off this. Okay, this also helps to increase the performance of your computer system. These are the 5 mistakes. Sorry, these are the mistakes. Okay, now number 5 mistake is that virus or malware infection. If your computer is infected by the virus or malware that can impact your system performance, compromise personal data, and even render your computer unusable. Viruses, spyware, ransomware, and other malicious programs often run in the background, consuming resources and slowing down your and causing instability. Okay, how malware affects its performance. High CPU and RAM reaches. Okay, malicious can often run hidden processes that use of system resources, leading to sluggish performance, slow startup crashes. Some malware modify startup sharing and making boot time longer and causing system crashes. Unwanted ad and pop-up adware injects intrusive ads, redirecting browsers to malicious websites. Corrupt or missing file. There can be the corrupt or missing file. Okay, security vulnerabilities, spyware and keyloggers, and can steal personal information and leading to identify theft, financial loss like this. Okay, how can you prevent that? You can use the reliable software like Windows Defender, Bitdefender, or malware or Norton, and you can keep up to date and keep scanning your systems time by time. Okay, perform regular scans. Run a full scan once a week. Okay, at least once a week you have to run a full scan in your system. If you do not have, okay, there is antivirus of your Microsoft Defender. Just go to the start menu and you can find out there the Defender. Okay, just type Defender and click here with Windows Defender and go to virus and threat protection, and under this tab you can find out there the scan option. Okay, just click scan option and you can click full scan and scan now. Okay, and so you can scan your system fully. Okay, do it once a week. Okay, and check for suspicious programs. Okay, you can check suspicious programs by going in the task manager. Okay, how can I do that? Press Ctrl Shift Escape, and after here in this tab you can find out there the app history. Okay, use setting apps, installed apps. Okay, you can check what application have been installed in your system. Go to setting and click settings. Then after you can go to the apps. You can find out here install app in the system. Okay, if there is any suspicious application, just you can click and just you can uninstall that application. Okay, hence you can protect and you make your computer faster. Okay, and hence you can boot off your computer system. Okay, and here is that never download software from untrusted website. Okay, you have to download software from only trusted website. Okay, because when clicking on the email attachment or pop-up ads, okay, as phishing attacks, there may be the phishing attacks or spreadware or malware, so that you do not have to click on the suspicious mail. Okay, hence you can make your computer faster. Okay, friends, if this tricks, if this suggestion really helped you in your system, then please don't forget to share, comment and support my channel. And friend, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.